Ever met someone who shines? People naturally gather around them, listen when they talk, and feel good in their presence. It's like they have this invisible pull, right? Ever wondered if you might have that same magnetic charisma? Well, today we're diving into 10 signs that you might be way more charismatic than you think. Stick around. You might surprise yourself. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first. What is magnetic charisma? It's not just about being loud or the center of attention. It's a genuine warmth, confidence, and ability to connect that draws people in naturally. Sound good? Let's see if these signs fit you. Sign number 1. You're a great listener. And I mean listen. When someone's talking, you're not just waiting for your turn to speak. You're tuned in, nodding, asking follow-up questions. You make people feel heard and understood. Think about it. Don't you love talking to someone who pays attention? That focus makes people feel valued, and that is incredibly magnetic. You put your phone away and give them your full attention. Sign number 2. You make people feel comfortable. Magnetically charismatic folks have a knack for putting others at ease. Maybe it's your warm smile, your relaxed body language, or just a general vibe that says, "Hey, it's cool, you can be yourself around me." People don't feel judged or on edge when they're with you. They can let their guard down. If people often tell you you're easy to talk to, this might be you. Sign number 3. You remember little details. You remember someone's kid's name or that project they were stressed about last week, or how they take their coffee. It shows you were paying attention. See sign number 1. And that you genuinely care. It makes people feel seen and important. It's not about having a perfect memory. It's about making the effort because you value the connection. That small effort has a huge impact. Sign number 4. You're genuinely positive. Mostly. Look, nobody's happy all the time, but charismatic people tend to have a generally optimistic outlook. They focus on solutions, not just problems. They bring uplifting energy to a room rather than draining it. People are naturally drawn to positivity. If you're the friend people come to when they need a little boost or a more hopeful perspective, that's a strong sign. Sign number 5. You have confident, open body language. How you hold yourself speaks volumes. Charismatic people often stand tall but relaxed, make comfortable eye contact, use open gestures, not crossed arms, and maybe offer a warm handshake or a friendly touch when appropriate. This nonverbal communication signals confidence, approachability, and trustworthiness. It invites people in. Okay, we're halfway through. Are any of these sounding familiar? If you're recognizing yourself in these signs, do me a quick favor and hit that like button down below. It helps the channel. And hey, if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on more videos like this. All right, let's jump back in. Sign number 6, you are authentic. You're not trying to be someone you're not. You own your quirks, you're honest, kindly, and you're comfortable in your skin. People have a radar for fakeness. Authenticity builds trust and makes people feel like they're connecting with the real you. It's refreshing and, yes, magnetic. You don't pretend to like things you don't or agree just to fit in. Sign number 7, you share passion and enthusiasm. When you talk about something you love, whether it's your hobby, your job, or even just a great movie you saw, your eyes light up. That passion is infectious. People are drawn to energy and excitement. Seeing someone genuinely enthusiastic about something makes them more interesting and engaging. It inspires others. Sign number 8, you make others feel important. This ties into listening and remembering details, but it's bigger. You actively look for ways to make others feel valued. Maybe you give genuine compliments, highlight someone else's contribution in a meeting, or simply ask for their opinion and truly consider it. Charisma isn't just about you shining, it's about making others shine too. Sign number 9, you have a good sense of humor and can laugh at yourself. You can find humor in situations, tell a good story or joke, and importantly, you don't take yourself too seriously. Being able to laugh, especially at your own little mistakes, makes you relatable and breaks down barriers. It shows you're human and approachable. Laughter connects people instantly. And sign number 10, you handle disagreements gracefully. Charismatic people aren't necessarily conflict avoidant, but they handle differences with respect. You can state your opinion clearly and kindly, listen to the other side without getting defensive, and look for common ground. You don't need to win every argument. This shows maturity and emotional intelligence, which draws people to you even when you don't see eye to eye. So there you have it. 10 signs you might be magnetically charismatic. How many did you resonate with? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear which one surprised you the most. Remember, charisma isn't some magic power only a few people have. Many of these are skills and attitudes you can cultivate and develop. It's about genuine connection, confidence, and making others feel good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone you think is charismatic or someone who'd find this helpful. And subscribe for more videos on communication, confidence, and living your best life. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. You're awesome. Stay positive, stay authentic, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.